Hi friends, today we are going to see how to remove a ball bearing and clean and replace it. Let's get started. Take a towel, then take a fidget spinner, take a cap and take a pin, take the back cap from it and all balls take it from one side, it will come out. And all take it to one side. Balls are very important, so carefully take it and clean the body and the balls and clean the back cap, remove the and clean everything. Even one ball miss, the spinner can't rotate. Then take the any one of the cap from it and put it in the black and take the center part and insert it and take the ball, put in one side and spin it. Make the all ball to equal. And put the back cap and rotate and see it will move smoothly. And take the yellow cap from it sorry guys, it will come. Then put the cap, make it equal. Okay, then put the cap, see how fast it rotate, how smoothly it rotate, and put the caps and rotate. Wow, it's amazing. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Let's subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for seeing my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.